In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set 1-inch margins in Google Docs, an essential task that ensures your document meets professional and academic formatting standards. To get started, first, open your Google Doc. It's as simple as navigating to your Google Drive, locating the document you intend to format, and clicking to open it. Once you have your document in front of you, you are ready to make changes to the margins. Next, we'll move on to accessing the necessary settings. You'll want to direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you should see an option labeled File. Click on that. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find various settings and document options. From these options, select Page Setup. This will bring up the Page Setup dialog box where you'll make the necessary adjustments to your document's margins. In the Page Setup dialog box, you should notice several sections. The one we're focusing on is labeled Margins. This is where you'll specify the width of the space around your main content. Properly setting these margins is crucial, especially if you're preparing a document for printing or submission to strict formatting guidelines. You'll see 4 fields to input margin sizes, each corresponding to different sides of your document: top, bottom, left, and right. To set 1-inch margins, you'll need to enter the number 1 into each of these fields. Doing so will ensure uniform spacing around all sides of your document, a key component in achieving a balanced and aesthetically pleasing appearance. Once you've entered 1 into each field, take a moment to double-check your inputs. Correctly setting all 4 margins to 1-inch guarantees that both the visual balance and the professional standards of your document are maintained. After verifying that all fields are correct, you're almost finished with your task. At this point, you have successfully set the 1-inch margins. If you plan to use the 1-inch margins as your default for future documents, you can click on the Set as Default button before finalizing your changes. Doing so will apply these settings to any new document you create within Google Docs, saving you time and effort in the future. Once you're satisfied with your settings, hit OK to apply your changes. Your document will now be formatted with 1-inch margins all around. These changes should take effect immediately, visible as a slight adjustment in the layout you're currently viewing. And there you have it, a straightforward way to ensure your Google Docs are properly formatted with 1-inch margins. Following these steps will help maintain consistency across your documents, especially if you're dealing with multiple works requiring similar formatting. That's all for today. See you in the next instructional video.